Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Intercom Inbox to manage support messages in 2026. First, log in to your Intercom account. The inbox is where all customer conversations live, emails, chat messages, and even replies from social media. When a new message comes in, it appears in the unassigned section. Click on any conversation to open it. You can type your reply right at the bottom. Use shortcuts like macros to insert canned responses for common questions. To stay organized, use conversation statuses. Mark a message as open if you're still working on it, or closed once it's resolved. You can also assign conversations to specific team members by clicking the Assign icon and choosing a teammate. Use filters at the top to sort conversations by status, assignee, or priority. This helps you focus on urgent messages first. You can also use tags to categorize conversations, like bug report or feature request. Tags make it easy to spot trends and report on common issues later, and that's it. Now you know how to use Intercom Inbox to manage support messages. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.